Hey everyone, we've just finished packing up our annex for the customer we've just been at the install for, and we're just putting the anti-flap kit and curved roof rafters away in their van. So we're using an Aussie Traveller storage bag to secure them so they don't rattle around in the van as they're driving. This particular bag can store up to 1 anti-flap kit and up to 4 curved roof rafters. We've got 3 in it for this size awning. So I'll show you how quick and simple it is to pack it away and get on the road. There you have it guys, nice and secure, and put it straight in the tunnel boot.